Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to recover deleted Instagram chats. So if you've deleted messages on Instagram and want to see if you can get them back, just follow along. First, open the Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, tap the menu icon in the top corner and then select Account Center. Next, tap your information and permissions and now choose Export your information. Select your Instagram account and request a download of your data. Instagram will prepare a file containing information associated with your account and send you a download link when it's ready. Once you receive the file, open it and check the message section to see if your deleted chats are included. You can also ask the other person in the conversation if they still have the messages, since deleting a chat from your account doesn't automatically remove it from there. One important thing to know is that if messages were permanently deleted and are no longer included in your account data, there may not be a way to recover them. So those are the steps you can try to recover deleted Instagram chats. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.